Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Moto G72 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this phone. First, we need to go to the screen we want to capture. So for example, I'm gonna open the Google Chrome. And now let's say I want to take a screenshot of this page. To do it, you can simply press the power button and volume down button together. If you press them, you will hear the sound and also this pop-up will appear right here. This means you took the screenshot. And on this pop-up that appears right here in the corner, you have a couple of options. Edit, share, Google Lens, I believe, and bin icon. Basically, you can delete the screenshot. You can also take a scroll screenshot. So basically, what it does, it allows you to take a screenshot of something that doesn't fit on the screen. So if you have something like Google page and you can scroll down, this scroll screenshot allows you to take the screenshot of this page without taking multiple screenshots. Basically, it allows you to take it in one go. So if you press the screenshot button on the page that is more than one screen, you can tap this button right here and it will start scrolling and taking the screenshot of the whole page. And you can tap on the stop button right here to stop it or wait until it reaches the bottom of the page. Okay. You can also take a screenshot by putting 3 fingers on the screen, like this. And once you're done and you want to see your screenshots, you can open the Photos app. Tap on Library, find the Screenshots album, and here we have our screenshots. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.